Today for Mousetrap Monday, we're going to test out this antique mousetrap design that was invented by the most famous mousetrap inventor of all time, a man named William C. Hooker. That's an unfortunate last name, but his inventions completely changed how the world would trap mice. William Hooker was the inventor of the first snap-style mousetrap. He received the patent on November 6, 1894, and that first mousetrap design was sold under the brand name Out of Sight. Well, he continued inventing mousetraps, and 7 years later, on January 15, 1901, he received another patent for a modified design. This new mousetrap design was sold under the brand name Eli. It appeared in hardware store catalogs. There was a smaller version for mice and a larger version for rats. Later, the Animal Trap Company manufactured this trap under different brand names. It was known as Eclipse, Wizard, Ohio Valley, and an all-metal version known as Zip. Here we have a Zip trap. It's basically the same design as a standard snap trap. There's 2 springs, a trigger pad, a kill bar. In this case, the kill bar is a piece of square metal, not a wire. But to set it, you pull it back, hook in the lever, and it's ready to catch mice. The mouse will want to get the bait on the trigger pad, push this down, and you got it. Even though this trap design is 117 years old, the springs are still really powerful. Let's go test it out. We have a lot of mice in the chicken coop, so let's go set up the motion cameras and see if we can get a mouse with this antique Zip mousetrap. This antique Zip mousetrap worked really well. We set it up in the chicken coop and we got a mouse. To remove it, you pull back the kill bar and give it a little flip. The design's 117 years old and it's still catching mice. If you're not already a subscriber to my channel, please consider hitting the button right there. I'm posting between 4 and 5 rodent trap videos a week, so if you want to see how to catch mice, rats, squirrels, chipmunks, moles, voles, and gophers, stay tuned.